Good morning everyone. In our previous class, we have discussed one method of finding square root, that is division method. And 4 questions we have done. And first question was regarding simply finding square root by division method. Second question was regarding estimating the number of digits in the square root of given number. Third question was regarding finding the square root of decimal numbers. Fourth question was related to that what number should be subtracted from a given number to make it a perfect square. So I have told you, if the question is that what should be multiplied or what should be divided, in that case we have to do prime factorization of that number. But if the question is what should be added or what should be subtracted, in that case we do division. Okay, so right now we will move to question number 5 of exercise 6.4. In question number 5 the question is find the least number which must be added. अब क्या है, क्या हम add करें so that each of the following numbers become a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect number so obtain. जब subtracted का पूछा था, then what we used to do, whatever is the remainder, that remainder is the extra part. Okay, so if I will remove that remainder, then the number will become a perfect square. But if the question is that what should be added, तो उस सिचुएशन में हमें क्या करना है? Now look at the first part. The part is 525. This is the question. Again we have to do the division method. So when you will do the division method, same way we have to make the pairs from right side 2 and then 1. Now we will read the square table. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So here I will take 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now 1 is remaining. So this whole pair will come down. Okay, 125. Now if I have taken 2, then I have to add 2. That is 4. Okay. Now this place is blank. What number we have to take so that here the number should come either equal to 125 or less than 125. Same हम division method कर रहे हैं. 40 zeros are 0, 41 ones are 41, 42 twos are 84, 43 threes are 129. Okay, तो 43 threes are जो 129 हो रहा है, that is bigger than this. So what I will take, 42 twos are, okay, that is 84. Subtract करेंगे जब हम, it will be 41. Okay, now the remainder is 41. अब अगर क्वेश्चन होता है क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, तो आपका आंसर हो जाता है that 41 should be subtracted. पर क्वेश्चन उल्टा है. क्वेश्चन क्या है, क्या हम ऐड करें, मतलब इसमें हमें क्या प्लस करना है, मतलब जो मुझे नंबर बनाना है वो इससे इसका नेक्स्ट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होना चाहिए. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट वी नो दैट 22 स्क्वायर, अगर 22 का स्क्वायर करूंगी तो वो लेस देन 525 होगा. हाँ, क्योंकि 525 में इतना रिमाइंडर बच रहा है. 22 का स्क्वायर हमें कब मिलेगा, जब मैं 525 में से 41 को माइनस कर दूंगी. So 22 square is less than 525. Now which is the next perfect square? Therefore next perfect square is 23 square. ठीक है. 22 के बाद जो नेक्स्ट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर क्या बनेगा, 23 स्क्वायर, दैट इज 529. ठीक है. तो अब ये जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, इसका जो भी स्क्वायर होगा वो 525 से तो कम होगा. अगला कौन सा मिलेगा हमें, 23 का स्क्वायर, दैट इज 529. तो 525 को 529 बना सकते हैं हम लोग. सो व्हाट शुड बी एडेड, when you will subtract this you will get 4. Therefore 4 should be added to make it a perfect square. Okay, to make it a perfect square. ये हुआ हमारा. This can be quite lengthy than the fourth part, क्योंकि इसमें आपको पहले ये बताना है कि ये छोटा है, तो जो नेक्स्ट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होगा वो उसका अगला नंबर होगा, जो भी आपका क्वेश्चन है उसका नेक्स्ट नंबर होगा, उसका स्क्वायर निकाल के देखेंगे आप. तो अब हमें इस नंबर को उसके अगले स्क्वायर के बराबर बनाना होता है. सो दैट वी विल फाइंड आउट दैट व्हाट शुड बी द डिफरेंस. Now what is the square root of this perfect square number? Therefore square root of 529 is equal to 23. Okay, in this way we have done first part. Similarly, let's see second part. आप second part देखेंगे, then you will understand it better way. Like in second part the number is 1750. ठीक है, 1750. So first we will do the division method. 1750 pairing 4 4s are 16. Okay, 1 is remainder. This 50 will come down. Now 4 should be added. यहाँ पे 80 zeros are 80, 81 ones are 81, 82 twos are 164. वो ज्यादा हो जाएगा. So 81 ones are 80. Okay. So this is 16. So what we have seen that 41 square is less than 1750. So then therefore next perfect square number, what will be the next perfect square? Next perfect square number is 42 square. That will be equal to 42 square is equal to 1764. Okay, 1764. So 1764 minus 1750 अगर हम करेंगे, what we will get? 14. Therefore 14 should be added. क्या ऐड होना चाहिए? 14 ऐड होना चाहिए so that to be a perfect square. And square root of 1764 कितना होगा? जो भी 41 के बाद जो भी next number, that is 42. So in this way your second part is also done. Now third part you will do it by yourself. I will only tell you the answer कि third part का आंसर क्या होगा. थर्ड पार्ट में जब आप डिवीजन मेथड करोगे तो आपका क्वेश्चन होगा 15. So 15 square is less than 252. Okay. Next perfect square is 256. So 256 minus 252, that is equal to 4. So therefore 4 should be added. Okay. And square root of 256 is equal to 16. Now we will move to fourth part. So in fourth part the question is 1825. So again it is same. First we have to do the division method. Make pairs. 4 4s are 16. Then 4 will be added. Okay. Now here like what should be placed? तो अप्रोक्सीमेट 80 को अगर मैं 3 टाइम्स करूंगी तो 240 के करीब आ जाएगा. तो मुझे 2 टाइम्स ही करना पड़ेगा. Then it is 61 is the remainder. So what we will write that 42 square is less than 1825. Okay. So next perfect square number is 43 square, that is equal to 1849. In first part I have done the complete solution. उसके बाद मैं डायरेक्ट कर रही हूँ. But you have to do the way we have done in first part. जो statement उसमें लिखे हैं, same statement you will write here also. Then 1849 minus 1825. Again it is coming 24. This should be 24. So therefore 24 should be added to make it a perfect square. And square root of 1849 is equal to 43. Similarly, then you will do the fifth part. It is 6412. 6412. इसका डिवीजन मेथड आप लोग करके देख सकते हैं. Pair of 2 2. 8 8s are 64. Okay, this is 0. Now 12 will come down. So here I have to write 8 again. 16. Okay. अब अगर मैं यहाँ 0 रखती हूँ, 160 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. और अगर 1 रख के करूंगी तो 1 से करना पड़ेगा. So 161 1s are 161. That will be more than 12. So what I will take? 0. So this is 0. The remainder is 12. So what I will write that 80 square is less than 6412. So next is 81 square. और 81 का स्क्वायर हमारा कितना होता है? 6561. Okay. So 6561 minus 6412. When you will do this subtraction, you will get as 149. So therefore 149 should be added to make it a perfect square. Okay, and square root of 6561 is equal to 81. So in this way your answer will be completed of fifth question. Now coming to question number 6. In question number 6, the question is find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meter square. ठीक है, so area is given, so what we will use? The formula for area of square, that is side into side. Area is given 441 and this is side square. ठीक है, 441 meter square we can write. This is side square. So to find this side हमें इसका क्या करना पड़ेगा? Square root. So side is equal to square root of 441. So now you have complete open. You are open for all the options. Either you can do prime factorization or you can do division method or repeated subtraction, whatever. Like I find prime division method easy. So 441 लिखूंगी, पेयर बना दूंगी, 2 2s are 4, 0, 41 will come down. Now 40 0s are 0 होगा और 41 1s are 41. Okay, so what we have find out that square root of 441 is equal to 21 meter. 21 only. Therefore side of square is 21 meter. So here is your complete answer. Now we will move to next question, that is question number 7. Now the next question, that is question number 7, is that in a right triangle ABC, in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. If angle B is 90 degree, then this will be hypotenuse and any one of this can be base or perpendicular. It is given in first part that AB is equal to 6 centimeter. AB कितना है? 6 centimeter. BC is equal to 8 centimeter. And I have to find this AC. So what I will write? In right triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. Now in right triangle in class 7th you have studied that we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So what is hypotenuse? AC square. What is base? BC square I am taking. And what is perpendicular? AB square. Class 7th में आपने Pythagoras theorem पढ़ा है. Now we will put the value. AC we don't know, so we will keep it as it is. BC कितना है? 8 का square plus 6 का square. So AC square is equal to 64 plus 36. AC square is equal to 100. AC is equal to square root of 100. जब भी इसका square हटाना हो, so on the side what I will do? Square root. So AC is equal to 10 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay. Similarly, we can do second part. In second part, it is given that AC is equal to 13 centimeter. अब क्वेश्चन डायग्राम थोड़ा चेंज हो जाएगा. AC is 13 centimeter. The name of the triangle is same, only the measurement will change. And BC 5 है. And we have to find AB. Okay. Above 3 lines are completely same. ये 3 बिल्कुल same होंगे. That in a right triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. ठीक है, हम क्या लगाए हैं? Pythagoras theorem लगाएंगे. Then h square is equal to b square plus p square. h हमने क्या लिया है? AC का स्क्वायर. बेस है BC का स्क्वायर और परपेंडिकुलर क्या है? AB का स्क्वायर. Now this time I have to find AB. 13 का स्क्वायर, AC की वैल्यू रख दी हमने, BC की वैल्यू भी रख देंगे 5 का स्क्वायर प्लस AB का स्क्वायर. ओके 169 इज इक्वल टू 25 प्लस AB का स्क्वायर. अब AB स्क्वायर को यहीं रहने दूंगी मैं और यहाँ पे 25 माइनस में आ जाएगा. सो इट विल बी 144 इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर. ओके सो AB इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 144. Thus AB is equal to 12 centimeter. So in this way your answer is complete. Now moving to our question number 8. A gardener has 8 में क्या बता रहे हैं हमें? A gardener has 1000 plants. कितने plants है उसके पास? 1000 plants हैं. He wants to plant this in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remain same. इस तरीके से प्लांटेशन करना चाहता है कि जितनी रोज हो उतनी ही कॉलम हो. इसका मतलब है कि स्क्वायर शेप में प्लांट करना चाहता है. रोज क्या होती है? हॉरिजेंटल आर रोज, ओके, एंड वर्टिकल आर कॉलम्स. तो वो चाहते हैं कि जितनी रोज हो उतनी ही कॉलम्स हो. मीन्स इन द शेप ऑफ स्क्वायर ही वांट्स टू प्लांट. फाइंड द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स ही नीड मोर फॉर दिस. ठीक है. अब मतलब इस क्वेश्चन को अगर मैं फ्रेम करूं सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में, तो जैसे ही इज हैविंग 1000 प्लांट्स. Now the question is that how many more plants he need so that he can have equal number of rows and equal number of columns. मतलब ये क्वेश्चन क्या है कि 1000 में क्या ऐसा ऐड करें जिससे कि परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाए. ओके, द क्वेश्चन इज वेरी सिंपल कि 1000 में ऐसा क्या ऐड करें so that it becomes a perfect square. Okay, so let us do first of all the division method. This is the main aim of the question, that what should be added to 1000 so that it become a perfect square. तभी आपके नंबर ऑफ रोज जो हैं और जो नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स होंगी they will be same. Okay, so this way you have to arrange. Now add करने के लिए क्या करना है? डिवीजन मेथड. We will make pair of 2 2. 3 3s are 9. 1 remainder 0 0. Now I will add 3. 6 is there. 60 zeros are 0. 61 1s are 61. 2s are कर दी तो ज्यादा आ जाता. Then it will be 39. Okay. तो 39 तो हटा देंगे तो भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. पर पूछेगी क्या ऐड करें. तो ये हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का टाइप है. Like what we will, I will write 31 square is less than 1000. So the next perfect square number is 32 square. और 32 square कितना होता है? 1024. Therefore 1024 minus 1000, that is 24. Therefore 24 more plants needed for this. ये हमारा आंसर यही खत्म हो जाएगा कि 24 और प्लांट्स चाहिए. एंड अगर क्वेश्चन और एक्सटेंड हो कि उसमें कितने रोज और कितने कॉलम्स होंगे, तो कितने रोज और कितने कॉलम्स होंगे? 32 रोज एंड 32 कॉलम्स. एंड द गार्डन विल हैव, मैं एक्स्ट्रा लिख दे रही हूं, एंड द गार्डन विल हैव 32 रोज एंड 32 कॉलम्स. ये आपको अगर क्वेश्चन बढ़ा कर आए तो भी आप इसका आंसर दे सकते हो. सिमिलर इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. There are 500 children in a school. 500 बच्चे हैं स्कूल में. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows equal to the number of columns. जब भी ऐसी कंडीशन आई कि रोज और कॉलम इक्वल करने हैं, मतलब एक स्क्वायर के शेप में होगा, मतलब वो नंबर क्या होना चाहिए? परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होना चाहिए. So how many children would be left out in the arrangement? अब इसमें पूछे कितने बच जाएंगे, मतलब ये क्वेश्चन है कितने सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पड़ेंगे. ओके, सो if I will talk about question number 9, so it means 500 में से क्या माइनस करें so that it become a perfect square. Okay, so for this again division method. 2 2s are 4. 2 plus, now 40 zeros are 0. 41 1s are 41. 42 2s are 84. How much is remaining? 16 is remaining. So how many plants are extra? 16. Sorry, how many students are extra? 60 students are extra. Therefore, 16 students will be left out will be left out in this arrangement. Okay, इतने बच्चे हमारे बच जाएंगे. 6 students will be left out in this arrangement. And अगर पूछा जाए कितने रोज और कितने कॉलम्स होंगे, then 22 rows and 22 columns. And they will have 22 rows and columns. Okay, so I hope now you all have understood that how we have done the question, like what should be added and what should be subtracted. So in this way your exercise 6.4 is completed. Now the next topic we will discuss in our next class. Thank you, students.